The only way you can create prosperity for your people is when each family, as Mama was saying here, is when each individual, each family, or a company produces a good or a service, bidhaa au huduma, ndio tunasema kwa Kiswahili. If each individual, each family, each company produces a good or a service with a chibaro, who will buy those goods and services in big quantities? So this is principle number one, patriotism. When you are answering the question of why integration, why? Why don't you think of working with other brothers in East Africa? Maybe they could buy these products, some of these products. So I think some people have started waking up and knowing that for prosperity, the communities in Uganda need Uganda, they must love Uganda, the communities in Kenya must love Kenya, Tanzania must love Tanzania, must love Somalia, love South Sudan, love Rwanda, Burundi, love Congo, but also love East Africa. Wanange. Why you love East Africa? Because you need it for your own good. Whether you like my face or not, you need me. You need my purchasing power by buying your product. And you can also contribute to my prosperity by buying my product, which I have.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.